science facts about fish. 1. How to know the age of a fish. We can tell the age of a fish through its scales. Observing the fish scales closely, you will see a line pattern, also called fiber. This fiber will increase as the fish gets older. Depending on the type of fish, the fiber does not directly determine its age. The pattern on the fish will also make it difficult to count the lines, making it difficult to determine the age of the fish. If the fish does not have scales, then to find out its age, you can look at the number of teeth. Just like counting scales, counting teeth is not easy. So calculating the age of a fish is indeed difficult to do. 2. Sharks do not attack orca whales. Sharks are known as fierce predators. However, it turns out that sharks do not attack orca whales. This is because orca whales are larger than sharks and always live in groups. In addition, orca whales also have large mouths, so they can eat sharks, whales, and even sea lions. To avoid orca whales also preying on other fish as food, sharks have a faster swimming speed than other fish in the sea. Sharks have V-shaped scales that can reduce water friction, so they can swim at high speeds. 3. Fish can hear vibrations. Fish can hear vibrations. Fish have a side part, namely thin and striped fins. This part functions to sense vibrations. The size of the sound can be heard through this part, or is often called the ear in the body. Fish have high sensitivity in responding to the slightest sound, so that when fishing, calm is needed. Fish fins not only function to detect sound, but also to measure current and water pressure. 4. Flounderfish have eyes on only one side. The flatfish, aka flounderfish, has eyes on only one side of its body. When it is still an egg, this fish is the same as fish in general, which have eyes on both sides. However, after adulthood, flounderfish have a right eye that moves to the left, so that 2 eyes are parallel on one side. Flatfish live on the seabed by attaching one part of their body. The eyes are only on one side, making it easy for this fish to see the enemy's position. The one-sided fish is often also called the sea chameleon, because its body color changes to look like sand to trick its enemy. 5. Sacrifice of the male parent stickleback fish. There is a fish called the stickleback fish. There are 3 types of stickleback fish, and the one that loves its children the most is the 3-spined stickleback fish. The male parent of this fish loves its children very much. This fish lives in the sea and moves to rivers with warm temperatures. After the female parent lays eggs, she leaves the place. The male parent is in charge of caring for the eggs. The male parent stickleback fish does not eat, does not rest, and continues to wait until the eggs hatch for approximately 5 days. Although the male parent has made many sacrifices, when the eggs have hatched, the young stickleback fish will leave their place and eat their father's body.